Part 3, how I rebuilt my life and income without the hustle. I didn't just want to make money, I wanted peace. And for the first time, I have both because I stopped trying to hustle my way to freedom. It doesn't work. Let me tell you what freedom actually feels like. I wake up without panic. I check my phone for daily pay. I'm not chasing anyone, cold calling, or begging people to buy something. And I've got time to garden, sit with my kitties, my doggies, talk to my grandkids, and live my life again. Not because I got lucky, not because I'm a tech genius, no way, but because I finally found a system that runs with me, not on me. It's called Digital Resell Rights. And it's been the most ethical, simple, empowering business I have ever done in my entire career or working life. Earn 100% profit, 2-hour workdays, support from real people, real training, no fluff, no fake hype, just a model that works if you work it. With all that training, I used to live in fight or flight, scared of the bills, scared of asking for help, scared of hoping for anything more. Now I've got margin. I've got a map, a roadmap, blueprint, and I help other women, seniors, and everyday folks to do the same. You don't need another a motivational quote. You need a clear path. That's what I needed. That's what I found. Yay! And I'd love to show it to you. If you watched all 3 parts of this series, something is already shifting inside of you. You're ready, not for hype, but for truth with steps. Comment, ready, and I'll send you everything I follow daily. Or head to hollypringdailypay.com and see it for yourself. Costs you nothing. Don't let another week pass living the same way, stressing. You've got options, you've got proof, and now you've got me. Coming next in my Series 11, I thought I was too late until this changed everything. You're not behind, you're just arriving. Let's walk forward together. I'm here for you every step of the way for your success.